Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix threads, sorry, something went wrong, update app, clear cache and login trick. To fix the sorry, something went wrong error on Meta threads, you can generally need to clear the app's cache, update the software, or resolve a temporary conflict with your linked Instagram profile. Fix 1. Clear app cache and data. On your Android mobile, press and hold the threads icon. Then tap App Info and select Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. On your iOS mobile, Apple does not have a dedicated cache button. You will need to offload the app by navigating to Settings, then click on General, find the iPhone storage, then click on Threads and tap on Offload App. Fix 2. Refresh the linked Instagram login. Open the Instagram app and manually log out of your profile. Then close both the Instagram and Threads application completely. After that, log back into your account on the main Instagram app first and then reopen Threads and try logging in again. Fix 3. Update or reinstall the app. Check the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to verify you are using the latest version of Threads. If updating does not work, uninstall the app completely, restart the device, and perform a fresh download. Fix 4. Switch network connection. Toggle your device's airplane mode on and off to reset your network receiver. And if you are on Wi-Fi, temporarily turn it off to see if the app loads properly over cellular mobile data or vice versa. Fix 5. Verify account and server status. First, check Meta's servers. Use a third-party outage tracker like the Down Detector to see if Threads or Instagram is experiencing a widespread server outage. Then check account standing. Visit your Instagram account status settings to ensure your profile hasn't been temporarily restricted or disabled for community standard violations. Next, use the web browser. Try logging into your account via a laptop or desktop computer at the Threads web portal to verify if the issue is strictly limited to the mobile application. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.